got?
A bit of British engineering.
Okay, well, actually,
This looks like the kind of rust you get, Fuzz, when you leave your car in a barn for 30 years and it's not exposed to rain, it just rusts.
yeah, that's right. It's surface rust.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's actually quite solid. And look, rubber suspension. I love rubber suspension. You know where Alec Isagonis, the designer of the Mini, got that idea from? The original rubber suspension was fitted to Birmingham and Midland Motor Omnibus Company buses, BMMO buses. They had it from the early 1950s.
No, it was on the bog. I was with him.
I think what we should do is drop both the front and rear subframes, get everything cleaned up and really inspect everything off the car. But the one big problem is there's no interior.
So I think racing bucket seats in the front, normal standard Cooper S back seats in the back.
OK, that's good. Done?
All right, game on.
OK.
Let's go. Oh, that's horrible. These wheels are actually a concern. Many lights are a wheel which are prone to cracking. It's a massive shame, but they are scrap. There are many different ways you can cut nuts off bolts, but I actually find, frankly, the easiest way is just to cut them straight up the middle, because then you're less likely to damage the bracket as well. There we go. Get in there. One out.
Come on, get on with it. I'll be back in 10.
Roll cage. Disconnected.
This is going to be tricky, you know.
So the problem we've got here is that the thing widens out at the bottom of it, but the car constricts the higher up you go.
Yeah.
So I reckon we get two ratchet straps, ratchet it together, bend it slightly and pop it out that way.
Yes.
There we go. That's got it. Go on.
There we go.
Right, got it.
So roll cage out and mechanics in to remove that seized 1275cc Cooper engine,
Go on then, Dave.
which is going straight off to a specialist for a full strip down and rebuild.
Hi, Fuzz, how are you?
Yeah, I'm all right, Greg. Keith,
Yeah.
how's it going?
Well, gearbox is a bit of a sorry state, but
Yeah, the main bearing's collapsed.
Oh, right. In a way, I'm quite pleased that it's a failure like that. And
That's right,
not
yeah.
something
It's the reason why it
catastrophic.
stopped.
Anything else you found with the gearbox?
It's a free synchro straight cut gear kit.
That you get more purchase from a straight cut gear.
Yeah, and the ratios are better for racing, aren't they?
So that's not an original 1275 bottom end.
Well, it's been modified because it's an 850 casing.
Unusual.
Telling us a story.
Yeah, that's right. Before we took the engine apart, we noticed that the rocker cover has got a Westlake label on it.
Oh, that's a competition cylinder head.
It's a very good tuning company for the day, and they were well sought after.
Fantastic.
now. And it's a very, very nice head.
What about the crank? Does that
Yes.
need any work doing?
It does, yeah, it does. It needs
Yeah.
a mains grinding.
Because I'm a crank grinding virgin and I'd like to pop my cherry.
Well, I think we can give you a go, can't we?
Go on then.
Let's have a look.
Come on, where is it?
It's over here.
So exciting news. The Mini's engine turns out to be the real deal. A full-blown racer. Worn, but hopefully not beyond repair.
We need to take a little bit of metal off the crankshaft journals because they have worn and they're uneven. If we get them nice and smooth again, we can put larger bearings in there and we'll have good oil pressure and the engine will run smoothly.
A crankshaft is the vital component, like pedals on a bicycle, that turns linear motion from the up and down of the pistons into circular motion that turns the gears. But the steel is prone to wear, especially if it's been thrashed, so sometimes needs refacing.
This is the bit where it could all go wrong. In I go, 1/1000th of an inch. Now the traversing. It's going across until I hear a slight. Okay, that's far enough. Back I come. And back into the other face. It's exciting stuff. And just hear the note changing now. There we are. So that's 1/1000th of an inch that I've cut it. So I'm going to stop it, push this back. There we are. I've ground my first crankshaft.
How'd you feel?
I feel like a man. Yeah.